What else did you get, Nolan?
Does he talk? Let me see. What else did you get?
What's that?
Show Daddy. Here, Mommy, open it. Why don't you look at your other stuff?
I'll open this.
What else did you
What
get?
else did you get?
Movie.
What is it?
Roses.
Let me see.
Oh, I love roses.
Show Daddy. Cool. What else did you get?
Oh,
Did you get any other movies?
I'm getting them. Look, there's more stuff on this side.
Let me see.
Show Daddy. Show the camera.
Cool.
One more. There's a couple more things, actually.
Who's that? You want us to open it? Do you want us to open it so you can play with Baymax? Thank you.
A couple more things in your basket.
What's that?
What is that?
What is it?
Do you know what that is? Look. Look. It's blue bubbles. I know.
Can I hear him talk?
Come on, sing. Look, you got yellow, purple, and blue bubbles. And chocolate. We're outside.